Global business auctioneers and valuers have been appointed to sell large mobile construction, glass installation, contracting plant and equipment and motor vehicles via an on-site online auction situated at 20 Devlan Street, Mansfield, Brisbane, Queensland. In auction one of H Contractors, we have a lot of site equipment. So we have crawler cranes coming through, we've got glazing lifting machines, we've got carrying type equipment, and we have scissor lifts. And as we move through, we have some general glass rack equipment, but also a sealant machine. We've got the Hino FD tray truck in great condition. We've got the Iveco tray truck, and we've got the VW Caddy. We're now with the second component of the H Contractors auction. This is the fabrication and manufacturing side. We've broken this component of the sale up into two different types of sales. The first sale being a number of equipment which is to do with the manufacturing and the larger machinery. Second componentry is going to be hand tools and various components and lifting equipment which the company uses on their day-to-day basis. We've got a large quantity of absolute quality, brand name construction equipment tooling. And as you can see, we've got Hilti, there's Hitachi, there's a large range of hand tools here that's going to suit everybody. We have quality workshop equipment which is absolutely in fantastic condition. We've got some fantastic sheet metal equipment, all in magnificent condition and only purchased within the last 2 to 3 years. We've got various ranges of different types of manufacturing machinery that can be used in all types of workshops. Our auction also too has a large Patisi CNC machining centre which is absolutely in first class condition. We also have a range of DMAG on-site construction cranes which are used for gantry, so they're gantry cranes. But also too, coming out of the box, we have a brand new crane. It's a DMAG crane and also too in brand new condition. So don't miss out on this magnificent fabrication and manufacturing plant and equipment auction sale. There's a load of equipment to suit many buyers, and all the equipment is in really good condition, and it's certainly not one to miss at globalauctioneers.com.